Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Mishi. Today I'm here with another product review, and this is a wireless hi-fi speaker, and the model is LED902 and the company is Kisonli. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and the color of it is golden, and it's made in China, and every detail is given over here with detailed instruction. Over here you can see. Okay, now let's unbox it and see how it works. So as we are unboxing, if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also give thumbs up to the video if you find it useful. So there is a cable and there is a belt within it. So this is how we can attach it and use it. Now let's see the speakers. Oh, wow, this is how it looks like. You can see this is its front. These are the buttons, and here are all the USBs and all those to be attached. Okay, and now let's on it and see. Okay, so as you all know, it's wireless, so we are going to connect it with the computer with the mobile phone. So here we are going to go into the settings, and we are going to go into the connections, then Bluetooth. We are going to on, and we are going to search for LED902. So this is it, and we are going to connect it. Once your speakers are connected, I think it's connected. Yeah. Okay, now it's connected, and it also shows. Let's see. It also shows that it's 60% battery. The battery is 60% over here. So now let's on the video. We are going to play any one of the videos so that you can check the result of the sound.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mishi. Today we are
Wait, it's been connected. I don't know what's the problem is, but you can see here is the look of the speaker. Here are the buttons, and let me show you some other audio or video that is in the gallery. So you see how loud the sound is of the speakers. So this was it to show you. The speakers are so nice, and the voice is so clear that you can use it in your daily life in anything you like. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video. Thank you so much. Have a great